Hello, I'm Jetta Marley, the founder of Intelligent Life. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Our work is dedicated to helping you understand the design behind all of life. We look at the structure, the nature, and the function of the energy of which you're made. Here in these meditations, we explore how you can access and utilize that design within your own experience. I hope you enjoy these materials. Closing your eyes and bringing your attention within. Noticing your breath rising and falling. Noticing the interior space of your body. And feeling that it is gently expanding to meet the space of your environment in which you are sitting. Allowing a sense of calm and a sense of ease throughout your whole body. And allowing the breath to deepen and lengthen. And feel the calming effect of the breath upon the body and upon your mind. And now using each in-breath to bring your attention more fully into your mind. As if the in-breath was able to pick up every thought in your mind, to gather them all together, and then using the out-breath to expel all the thoughts from your mind in a very easy and natural and gentle process. The in-breath gathering your thoughts, and the out-breath just allowing them to be released from your mind, to disperse and dissolve. So that with each new breath, you are bringing more space and more clarity into your mind. And the busyness and the clutter starts to subside and then ceases altogether. And feel now that your mind is more spacious, is calmer, and is clearer. And visualize your mind as a vast open lake. The surface of this lake is smooth and glassy. Without a single ruffle upon it. And as you look down upon this lake, you can see right through it to the bottom. It is so clear and so calm. And visualize this lake as a beautiful mid-blue color. And feel the calming effect of the blue, still lake upon your mind. And feel the deep peace that comes over you when your mind is clear and calm and quiet. And breathe in this peace deeper and deeper into your body and into your being, so that with each new breath your whole being becomes calmer and more peaceful. Feel an internal smile come into your mind, which represents inner mental contentment. Feel that your mind is smiling. And is able to house only positive, encouraging, uplifting thoughts. And that you are able to welcome these thoughts at will, consciously and intentionally. And feel now as you continue to connect with the breath that you are able to share your calmness and your clarity. You are able to share and spread your positivity and your enthusiasm. And feel these qualities now moving from you into the environment in which you sit. And notice now the state of your mind. and what a difference a few minutes of conscious, directed intent can make.